I had to replace the wooden foundation of my garden shed, which involved lifting it up to get underneath it. After I lowered it, it didn't come back down in exactly the same place, and so the paving stones didn't fit. In this video I'm showing you how to cut and fit pavers without having to rent a concrete saw. I recreated this clip after the fact to show you how I transferred the measurements to the stone in order to cut it in the right place. As you can see, I've taken measurements on both sides. I'm putting the stone back in the correct orientation and transferring those two measurements. And now I'll pretend to draw the line, which, as you can probably see, is already there. But now you know. So here's the brick I'm going to cut. I'm setting up a $19 Canadian Tire angle grinder with something like an $11 diamond blade on it. And I'm making the first cut pretty much at right angles to the surface of the brick, following the line. The second cut, I'm now going to put an angle on it because I want the top of the brick to be out further than the bottom. This makes it easier to fit it in. As you can see, I'm just going gradually backwards and forwards until I reach the limit of the depth of that blade. Now I've marked an angle on the sides, and I'm just cutting that little angle. And the other side. And finally the bottom. You can probably see that I'm keeping my body well out of the line of the cut. That's just an additional safety consideration. And I'm also finding a place where the concrete dust isn't going to be too much of a problem. And now we come to the moment of truth. I'm lining up the bottom cut along the edge of that supporting brick. Firm grip, smart tap, and voila, there you go. Here you can see it fitting back in. And now you know how to cut pavers on the cheap.